another like big one for me at least, like which I read a lot on Instagram is like, you have these memes about the Mercury retrograde. This is something which is like literally I was talking to my friend the other day and I was just like, oh yeah, this is not happening, this is not happening. And then she goes like, yeah, it's okay, the Mercury is in retrograde. And I'm just like, what is that? Like, like and I think it's like I am so intrigued by this concept. To be honest with you, I completely don't understand it. And I would like to know like what is the truth behind it? Like why do we say that? Like Mercury is in retrograde. Like what does that mean like exactly when it comes to astrology?
I love that question because that is such a hot topic.
Yeah.
And people are blaming Mercury retrograde left,
All the
right,
time.
center.
Yeah.
Anything that goes wrong, probably Mercury is in retrograde. Now, what happens in astrological terms here? Now, when a planet goes retrograde, now we say that it's going backwards. Talking about Mercury. Mercury is a planet of communication, it's a planet of calculation, analysis, even business, trading, so many things. So when Mercury, to be specific, goes retrograde, now it wants you to reflect back, look back at whatever you've done in all these areas, to be specific. So revise your mistakes and be careful about what you're doing now, especially during this time period, because what happens is when Mercury finally goes direct, when you're out of that illusion that you're moving backwards, things will fall into perspective, things will start becoming more clear because now the motion changes, the illusion is gone. And that is why sometimes people make decisions in retrograde. Like people say that my ex came back, my ex texted me. So communication again, and connections.
Oh my god, that's
That
crazy.
is why, because now everybody, there's the energy in the universe to reflect back, especially in the areas governed by Mercury.
Wow.
So that is how actually retrograde
And how
works.
frequently does this happen?
3 to 4 times a year, Mercury retrograde.
Yay! Lovely.
that
Our
makes
exes
sense.
are messaging us 4 times a year. That's nice.
It's making sense. Everything's tying up now. Mercury is in retrograde.
Yeah, but imagine that when Mercury is retrograde and a baby is born during that time.
Oh.
So when the planet is actually retrograde, when that car is crossing you, that point you are closest to that car. So when a planet is retrograde, it is closest to the earth at that point. The effect is huge.
Wow.
Okay, so that is why people who have Mercury retrograde, who were born at that time, they will have a very unique way of communication.
Oh,
That's
interesting.
very interesting. Yeah, like I because honestly, I think we just blame these things without really understanding them, or like
Standing, yeah.
just say that it doesn't matter or like it matters. People who believe will believe, but people who don't, and we just don't really get into the depth of it to understand why. Like I love what you said. It also means that it's basically reflection. You need to take that time to reflect, and the world is reflecting at that time, and that's why people are going back on things, or they are having these moments of realizations, because it's a period of reflection, not a period of action.